Hey everyone, this is a video for the startup coding my own tech startup series in 2023. So this video is going to be part of that video. So I was just trying to design the database for the initial prototype version, which I'm going to release very soon. So this database I was trying to design for the prototype version only. So as of now I'm able to design like this much of database. I have few tables like in invoices, feedback items, users, feedback, restaurant items, and restaurants, because as of now I'm planning to make the prototype version for the restaurants and cafes only. So keeping that in my mind, I have decided to design this kind of database schema. So I just wanted to share this video with you, so I'm recording it and let's talk about it. So first I decided this table called items table, and this items table is basically having things like items table will be having many items in a table, basically like name, and the one single row of the table will be having a column like name, price, ingredients, order count, discount, and feedback, and belongs to the restaurant, like to which restaurant it belong, ID of that restaurant basically. So an item can have a name, can have price, can have ingredient. This has to be a comma separated string, so like array of string. So we will save it as a like comma separated string in database, or maybe we can change to this like JSON blob. Maybe like we can go here, we can change this. So I think this is fine. So we can save JSON data to it. Order count will be I thought of our order count to calculate the popularity of the particular item. The more order count will become, the more popularity basically we can measure or count of this application. So then discount, what kind of discount we are giving a particular item. So a particular restaurant can give a discount on a particular item. We can give discount for all of the items, or we can give discount for a particular item. So when we will be generating invoices, so that whatever item, if a single item will be having a discount on it, so our system will fetch it automatically. We don't have to add on it based upon the code we will write. Then feedback, this feedback column has to be connected with a complete feedback table, which will be having like 8 more columns. Feedback table, basically this one item can have many feedback, but one feedback belongs to a single item only, because of one single feedback. Like if you are giving a feedback for a coffee, so that feedback given for the coffee cannot be applied to the cake basically. So items can have many feedbacks, and feedbacks can have one just single item. Then definitely like we want to know like who gave that feedback. So in the feedback table, feedbacks items table, we are having user ID in order to attach who gave this feedback. So the relationship are working like one item can have many feedback, and one single feedback can have one single user, because it has to belong to a user. One feedback cannot belongs to many users, just one user, but one user can have many feedback. So it is a one-to-many relationship. It is also one-to-many relationship. As of now, user having email, name, email, feedback, giving count. Based upon that, we can rate a user like how frequently that user is giving feedback. Kind of like more rewards we can present to that user. Then we are having again, because as of now we can rate, we can give feedback for an item, we can give feedback for a restaurant. So an item belongs to feedback items, same as a restaurant belongs to a feedback restaurant. So we are having a table called restaurant, name, location, type, menu items. Menu items has to be JSON blob. Yeah, it has to be a kind of like array of items, or the complete JSON big JSON data blob of data. Feedback, basically what kind of feedback people are giving for this particular restaurant. We can fetch it from here. It has a restaurant ID. Yeah, it is having restaurant ID. I don't think we need it. Yeah, we need it, I think. So it is having one restaurant can have many feedback. One feedback can have one restaurant only. Yeah. So feedback restaurant, we have the ID, restaurant ID, which we can like this feedback belongs to which restaurant, so we can get it. Then expensiveness, service, location, interior wise, payment mode, availability, staff behave, user ID, like who gave this feedback. So again we have to connect it with the user. So shit, yeah, we have to connect it with user again. So we are connecting user with the feedback items and feedback restaurants. And then there is the invoice table. As of now I have created. Definitely there are more tables I have to add. As what the hell is this? Yeah, I'm not used to use this app. So the more functionality will be adding, the more table will be there. So last table for today, I had an invoice table. No. Okay, if I do this, so zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, fine. Yeah, then we are having an invoice table. So invoice table having a user ID, like this invoice belongs to which user, belongs to which restaurant. Of course we need to know that somehow, and what kind of items were added for this particular invoice. So it belongs to definitely the array of items, and that array of items will be having an ID of all the items from here. So we can say maybe this, like one invoice can have many items, so many to one invoice can have many items. And created, updated, I have to add these created, add and updated add columns to here also. So then it is having total amount and discounted amount, and maybe we can have tax or GST and other entries we can add. But as of now I did this only. So yeah. So okay, as I already told you, this app is going to be very much difficult in terms of functionality. It looks simple, but it is difficult. So as of now I have created a very simple database design and schema, but it started looking difficult already. So as this application will grow, database structure will become more and more complex, and I'm pretty much sure about it. So like when I'll be adding more tables to it, more relationships to it, I will be recording it again, and most probably next time I'll be doing it live with you guys. So yeah, see you in the next video. This was a quick short video to update you with my database and like what I'm doing as of now with this. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.